It's time to fire this thing up. Okay, Rach, before we even leave the marina, what I want to do is I want to practice how to deploy a fender by tying it off to the bow rail, okay? So go ahead and lay it over the bow rail. The knot I want you to tie, okay, this is called a spar hitch. Go ahead and tie that.
A spar what?
Okay, it's called a spar hitch. We'll get into that in just a little bit. Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. This is my daughter, Rachel. It's great to have you back aboard the boat. What we're on is our model year 1983. This is our 25-foot Pursuit project boat. And basically what we need to do here, Rach, is you want to hang the fender out over top of the rail, all right? And with a spar hitch, you want to wrap it underneath the rail one time, bring it up, cross over the line, very good, come back under, and you need to make a little loop here so that you can tuck the line through there. All right?
All right.
Well, in case you haven't guessed, today's episode is going to revolve around the fender. Go ahead and start practicing that knot, dear. We're going to show you how to size up a fender for your particular craft. We're also going to get into deploying them as well as stowing them. And wait until you see the very cool factory tour that we have in store for you. We're going to show you how a product called Fendastox is getting made. And this is a very soft acrylic type of fabric that goes over the outside of the fender, and it keeps them from squeaking. You know, if you sleep on the boat, that's a big deal. It also keeps it from scratching your paint or your gel coat or getting it gummy. But guess what? Before we can get into any of this stuff, shoot, you know the drill by now. You see, we need to work out a little trade-off. We've got to get all of you to spend the next 30 minutes with us as we're working right here along the beautiful water's edge. And then in exchange, with again the help of a few of my very knowledgeable friends in the marine industry, we're all going to be pooling together in order to do our very best to let you in on a few more ways to make your boat
Ship shape.
great knot. That is a fantastic spar hitch, dear. See how it doesn't come down at all? It just supports it? That is fantastic, man. Nice learning.